Last week, global markets rallied on European Central Bank President Mario Draghi's assertion that risks to the EU economy had increased, interpreting it as a signal that the European Central Bank and other central banks might take swift action to rescue weaker Eurozone nations. Stateside Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke offered no signal of more easing, but San Francisco Fed President Janet Yellen hinted that it might be possible. On Friday, President Obama urged EU leaders to address the sovereign debt crisis decisively. While President Obama has not done much to help the stock market, that request on Friday did seem to translate into a boost, even as Reuters reported that Spain was going to ask for an EU IMF bailout. Now, we did learn over the weekend that Spain has been approved for a 100 billion euro bailout, and the whole world is watching. And also, Greece's special elections are coming up, so that's also something to be watching for.
Many analysts have predicted a May decline in the Institute for Supply Management's closely watched non-manufacturing index. That didn't happen. The primary index rose 0.2 points in May to 53.7, and new orders index rose 2 points to 55.5.
The Fed's latest periodic roundup of economic conditions in its 12 districts had 10 of them reporting either moderate or modest growth. Some economists had feared it might chronicle lost momentum. Instead, however, it noted improving conditions in manufacturing, consumer spending, as well as the housing market.
New hope of the central bank action spurred the following weekend advances. The S&P 500 gained 3.73% to 1325. The Dow up about 3.4% to 1254, and the NASDAQ up just a little over 4% to 2858. However, gold lost about 2% last week, with futures settling Friday at 1591. Oil rebounded a little over 1% gain for the week, settling Friday at 84.10 a barrel on the NYMEX.
Here's what we're looking at this week. Today, markets are reacting to the anticipated weekend request by Spain for bank recapitalization. Also, Apple's Worldwide Developer Conference begins with the promise of a new product introduction.
Nothing major going on tomorrow.
Then on Wednesday, the Commerce Department releases the May Producer Price Index excuse me, and May retail sales data. JP Morgan's Jamie Dimon testifies before the Senate as well.
Thursday offers the May Consumer Price Index and earnings from Smithfield Foods, Kroger, and Pier 1.
And wrapping up the week on Friday, Friday is a quadruple witching day that also marks the release of the University of Michigan's preliminary June Consumer Sentiment Survey, along with data on May industrial production. That's what we're looking at this week. My name is Eric Hagen.
And I'm Greg Petrie.
We'll keep our finger on the pulse of the economy and report back to you next Monday.
So please be sure to subscribe and join us then.